Have you ever felt like life is moving too fast, like the world is spinning, and you can't catch your breath? Like no matter how hard you try, clarity, peace, or answers seem just out of reach. Maybe you've prayed, sought guidance, or tried to fix everything yourself, yet still felt that emptiness. What if I told you that God has been whispering 7 truths to you all along? Truths you were meant to remember, but may have forgotten in the noise of daily life. Today, we're uncovering 7 things God wants you to remember, and each one has the power to transform how you see your life, yourself, and every challenge you face. Stay with me, because the last truth is something even the most faithful often overlook, and it could change everything about your perspective. Let's begin with the first truth. God is always with you. Even when life feels lonely, even when it seems like everything is falling apart, He is closer than you think. He's not watching from afar. He's walking beside you, guiding you, protecting you, and reminding you that you are never alone. Think about a time recently when life felt overwhelming. Maybe it was a stressful day at work, a difficult conversation, or a decision that seemed impossible. Did you notice that quiet sense of calm, that small nudge telling you everything would be okay? That's Him. That's God reminding you He is carrying part of your burden. Imagine that presence surrounding you like a warm, unshakable light. Close your eyes for a moment and feel it. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out. Notice it. Allow it to sink into your mind and heart. Every fear, every doubt, every tear, He is with you. And consider this, even the little victories like making it through a challenging moment are signs of His guidance. Remember the small choices that felt guided by something greater? Those are moments when God was walking with you, even if you didn't consciously realize it at the time. Pause for a moment now. Think about a situation where you felt alone. Can you recall that subtle reassurance, that unexpected answer, or that calm feeling that came in the middle of chaos? That was God. He never left. He never will. Repeat this truth quietly to yourself. He is always with me. He is walking beside me. I am never alone. Notice how your chest or your mind reacts to that thought. Feel it, let it settle, and remember it deeply. And as we move forward, keep this in mind. The next truth is about God's unconditional love, a love so powerful it can completely transform the way you see yourself and your life. Stay with me, because this next truth is something you won't want to miss. The second truth is profound. You are loved beyond measure. Not sometimes, not only when you do everything right, but in every moment, even in your mistakes, even in your failures, even in the times you feel unworthy. God's love is infinite, unwavering, and always reaching for you. Have you ever felt invisible, like no one noticed your struggles, your tears, or the silent battles you fight each day? Even then, God was there, holding you, loving you, seeing every part of you the world may overlook. That love is unconditional, and it is always present, waiting for you to receive it. Take a slow breath and let yourself feel it. Reflect on a time when you felt unseen or unappreciated. Maybe no one celebrated your small victories, but God saw them. Maybe no one noticed your effort, but God remembers every single act. Even in the moments you doubt yourself, His love never wavered. Pause and let that truth sink in. The third truth is equally powerful. Your purpose is unique. There has never been anyone like you, and there never will be. Even when your path feels unclear, even when others fail to understand your journey, God has placed a plan in your heart that only you can fulfill. Consider your talents, passions, and even your struggles. These are clues, guideposts, and signs pointing toward your mission. Think of moments when you felt truly alive, when your efforts made a difference, or when you felt a spark of joy or inspiration. Those are breadcrumbs God has left for you. Don't let fear, doubt, or comparison steal your calling. Step forward, even in small ways, trusting that God has been preparing you every step of the way. Reflect. What is one thing you can do today to honor your unique purpose? Maybe it's a small act, a conversation, or a decision to move forward despite fear. Remember this, your life is not random. Your challenges, your gifts, your experiences, they are all aligned with a purpose that only you can fulfill. And as we move to the next truth, keep in mind that patience plays a critical role in uncovering your path, even when you feel uncertain. Patience shapes everything. The fourth truth is this: patience is a sacred weapon. In a world obsessed with speed, instant results, and quick fixes, waiting can feel frustrating or even unbearable. But God's timing is perfect. Waiting does not mean nothing is happening. It means something greater is being prepared, something you cannot yet see, but that is forming quietly behind the scenes. Think about moments when life felt slow, when doors didn't open, or when progress seemed impossible. Those moments were shaping you, refining your heart, and aligning you with what is truly meant for you. Patience is not wasted time. It is preparation, growth, and trust in God's plan. Take a moment and reflect. Can you see how waiting shaped you? How challenges or delays pushed you to grow stronger, wiser, or more compassionate? Notice the power of patience. The fifth truth is, forgiveness frees you. Holding on to anger, resentment, or regret is like carrying a heavy weight that only grows heavier with time. Forgiveness is not about excusing someone else's actions. It is about releasing yourself, your heart, and your soul from unnecessary burden. Consider someone who hurt you, perhaps recently or even years ago. Imagine releasing that pain, letting go, and feeling the weight lift off your shoulders. Forgiveness transforms you. It opens the door to peace, healing, and blessings that you may not even realize are waiting for you. When you forgive, you reclaim your energy, your clarity, and your freedom to move forward without being chained to the past. Pause and reflect. Is there someone or something you are holding on to that no longer serves you? Imagine releasing it now. Patience and forgiveness create the space for faith to grow, a faith that can move mountains in your life. And that is exactly what we'll explore next. The sixth truth is this: faith moves mountains. Faith is not wishful thinking. It is not hoping for something to happen and doing nothing. Faith is courage. Faith is action. Faith is trust in what God is doing behind the scenes, even when you cannot see the outcome. Think about the times in your life when obstacles felt impossible. Maybe a job opportunity seemed out of reach, or a personal goal felt far beyond your abilities. Perhaps you prayed, hoped, and trusted, and somehow, step by step, things began to change. That is faith at work. Every small act of belief, every prayer, every decision made with trust moves mountains. You may not see the results immediately, but they are happening. They are forming, shifting, and aligning your life in ways only God can orchestrate. Have you ever noticed how a small decision you made months ago suddenly led to something bigger than you could imagine? That was faith quietly moving behind the scenes. Pause for a moment now. Think about a current challenge in your life. What is one small step you could take today, trusting that God is guiding you? Even the tiniest step matters. Even the smallest choice made with faith moves mountains in your life. Imagine a mountain, big, immovable, overwhelming. Now imagine God slowly, gently moving it one piece at a time, every action, every prayer, every choice building toward change. That is what faith does. It turns the impossible into possible, the unseen into reality, the doubts into clarity. And here's another thought. Every time you act in faith, even when fear is present, you strengthen your courage. You train your heart to trust in the invisible hand that is guiding your life. Ask yourself, when have I acted in faith before? When have I trusted even when I could not see the full path? Reflect on it. Faith is more than belief. Faith is movement. Faith is stepping forward while trusting God is arranging everything perfectly behind the scenes. Repeat quietly, my faith moves mountains. My faith opens doors. My faith aligns me with God's plan. Feel it in your heart. Let it sink in. The next truth, our final one, will remind you that nothing is forgotten. Every prayer, every effort, every tear, every moment of hope is remembered by God. That is the seventh truth. Finally, the seventh truth, you are never forgotten by God. Every prayer, every tear, every silent cry in the night is remembered. Even when it feels like life has passed you by, He sees you, He knows you, and He remembers your name. Nothing about you is invisible. Nothing about your effort, your struggle, or your hope goes unnoticed. Think about the moments when you felt unseen or overlooked. Perhaps you felt like your work, your prayers, or your acts of kindness didn't matter. God remembers. Every tear you've shed, every act of faith you've taken, every quiet victory is stored in His heart. Reflect for a moment on that truth. Can you feel the weight of being remembered? Consider a time when you gave your best, and no one seemed to notice. Now imagine God observing, holding every detail, every effort, every intention. That is the love and attention of the Creator of the universe. You are never forgotten, no matter what the world tells you. Repeat this quietly, I am remembered. I am seen. I am known. Feel it. Let it settle. Breathe. Allow yourself to carry this truth with you. And here's something powerful. Remembering that God sees and knows you changes how you live. It changes your confidence, your patience, your joy. It reminds you that nothing you do in alignment with love, faith, or purpose is wasted. Every effort counts, every choice matters, and every prayer is heard. 7 truths. 7 reminders. Which one speaks to you most right now? Perhaps it is faith, love, patience, forgiveness, purpose, being with God, or being remembered. Take a moment to reflect. Which truth resonates with your heart today? Replay this video if you need to, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and let God's whispers reach hearts in need. Remember, every moment you choose to remember Him is a moment He is working in your life. You were not made for fear. You were made for purpose. You were made for greatness. Repeat that quietly to yourself. I was made for purpose. I was made for greatness. I am guided, loved, and never forgotten. Take a deep breath, reflect, and carry these 7 truths with you. Comment below which truth spoke to you the loudest, and let this message inspire your next step in life. God is with you. He sees you, and you are never forgotten.